Oh my god. Oh my god. What's up? Hey, it's the start of a new vlog. You guys, the heat in this Nigeria has become something else. I tell you for sure. The heat in this Nigeria is something else. But anyways, guys, welcome back again to the channel. Myself and my minis and Auntie Peace, we're heading to the market because it is going to be cooking vlog. The soups in the house have finished, so I need to replace it, you know. And today I'm making banga, and I'm also thinking maybe I'll just, you know, integrate the lunch for church, like after church tomorrow. Whether I will make it today depends on how my strength can carry me, because I'm going to the market, right? So let's just be heading to the market quickly. What are you people arguing about? Mommy girl, say hello, guys. Yeah. Like this. Yeah, sit down, guys. Sit down. Sit down. I noticed that their lips are cracking. You know, I noticed that their lips are cracking, and the weather is hot, but they have cold. But I noticed that their lips are cracking, so I just put them a little bit of gloss. But anyways, guys, let's just be going, and I hope you guys would enjoy this vlog. It's a cooking vlog. It's a cooking and a market vlog. Hopefully I will have the strength when I come back. I'll show you guys the things that I bought before we know we dive into cooking and all. But anyways, let's be going. Let's be going. You get pure SK. She's coming now. Oh yeah, price it now. How much do you want to buy it, Kaito? How much? It's like your money. I will put it. Anyhow. What is your head doing there? In the cover face. Sorry, too much. Maybe the woman is a woman. The woman said they want to pack it for our money. They put it's more for my money. That's what maybe it's okay. That one is for my money. Yes. Give it for her. Come on, girl. Yes, she picked the one on the floor and put it inside it. Water. You guys see the way I'm sweating. Hey. I'm sweating. Jesus. See the way I'm sweating. But anyways, the lady that sold banga for us today, she was really, really nice. Honestly, really nice. I like the fact that, you know, some people, children will come around, they'll be like, don't touch my things. I beg, no, they touch my things, no, they touch. But the way she really played with Kaito and Kaima along, you know, I usually take these children to the market along. You guys, sorry, I was reading something. The sun is just terrible outside. That's what I was saying. The sun is actually terrible outside. But I was saying that the lady that sold banga to me was really, really nice with my kids and all, you know. But anyways, let's just be going.
A few moments later.
You guys, we are back home and it is straight into the kitchen to start cooking. But first of all, let me just wash off my hands. You guys, all this banga you can see here is 4,800. Buy 2 Derica paints because I want the banga soup to be more. Kaito and Kaima, go away from this side. So all this banga you can see, I'm making banga soup, fresh banga soup.
On you. Yes, mommy. We should dance. I'm coming. We'll go to dance, okay? Don't worry. Hey, my baby wants me to come and dance. So.
I should not still leave it.
That means we are using now is that old one.
And it's still fresh.
Somebody now the chop Yana among us. Oh my god, just put small. Because of the soup. Now Banga Soup.
You guys, this banga has been boiling for like 1 hour. This is banga spice, success banga spice. How can you use in here?
I beg you. With your hair where you no wash.
Hey,
Your bumper they show say.
please. I forgive you.
Yeah.
What's up? She say hey. Good morning.
Now what's the name of the leaf?
Banga leaf. You guys, the banga soup is ready. Let me go and serve my husband this one. And then when the children wake up from sleep, they will have banga soup because I want to make stew. The chicken is frying already. I'll see you guys back in the kitchen.
Tell you, and you have the chance to negotiate as a deal. It started with acceptance. You didn't condemn something. Then you need to. Can your child have this kind of conversation with you? Can your teenage daughter tell you if she's liking it?
You guys, stew is ready. And I just want to top it up with some scent leaves. Just for a different taste this time around. But the stew is ready. I'm done. Oh, I'm done cooking. I called the lady that usually comes to make Kaima's hair. I think I will also make my hair as well because my cornrow is nothing to write home about. And who made it for me? It's Auntie Peace. But anyways guys, I think I've come to the end of this video and I hope you guys enjoyed all my cooking so far. You guys, Kaito was literally licking his plate like yummy yummy. Kaito, was the soup yummy? Yes. You see it. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and bye guys.